Okay, this is what the packaging looks like. And this is the Sassy Living Spirit Sis Sister Wig. Okay, the construction on the inside of this unit is 2 combs that are in the front. And we have the 1 comb in the back. And we have the drawstring. I always put them like this. We're done really close together so it can be tight. And on this wig, you don't have any lace you have to cut off. I don't know if I'm going to have to put some black here to make it look darker. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. Don't this look like, well, don't say Beyonce. But look at those curls though. Bouncy. It's like a wave curl type of thing. So I do get my petal brush. Okay, I wanted to make it lower so y'all can see that the different colors. But if you do brush these longer ones out, start at the end. Make sure it's tucked down in the back. Oh, let me show you how long it is. It's gonna sound 5'6". So come about right here down to the breast. Come down here like this. My final thoughts about this unit is that I think it's a pretty color. I know I probably would like it better if it was cut here. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your See what I mean? That just looks so much better. Wow, that makes a drastic difference, I think. Yes, darling. Cut more layers in it. Va-va-voom. I also want to mention about this gorgeous, stunning jewelry that I have on. It came from Paparazzi Jewelry. My mother is a Paparazzi Jewelry representative. This is the Unstoppable with these beautiful rhinestone jewels with the earrings match. It's $25. You know, Paparazzi is only $5 a piece, but they do have a higher end collection and they are gorgeous. I have other ones that are coming that I'm going to showcase on my channel. Go and support my beautiful mother and her new endeavors. I received this for my birthday, which was last month, but I also purchased 2 myself to support my mother, and I would love if you would go do the same. Again, this is Unstoppable. I will leave all the information down below so you can check her out. I really think this unit is beautiful. I think you're going to have to work with it, but it's workable. And they have a lot of beautiful colors that come in this unit. They have a burgundy color that's gorgeous. This color is beautiful as well. I love the bounciness of it. It's very lightweight. It's very versatile. Even with it getting hot, you can put it up in a ponytail and you will be good to go. I really, really love this unit, and I like the way I was able to cut it and style it to my liking. I will leave all the information down below for this unit, and I would like to thank ebonyline.com for sending this unit to me. And I'm always going to give honest reviews and let you know how you can work with the unit. This is something new I want to start on my channel, which is Wig Wednesdays, which if I have a unit that I want to review, or I have some units that I purchased myself that I want to show you guys, and I want you to come back to my channel on Wednesday to see if I have a new unit for you to check out on Wig Wednesdays. I love you guys. Make sure you click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thumbs up this video. And every time you thumbs up the video, leave a comment to let me know that you like the direction that the channel is going into. And I want to thank you guys for over 11,000 subscribers. I mean, really, it's just like you guys have no idea how happy I am with the support. I know a lot of guys don't know, but I am past 2 years the most tumultuous time I've had in my life, and I know that this all is happening for a reason, and one of the reasons is so I can get closer to my subscribers and my viewers, bring you more content and bring you more things that I think that you will like. And of course, you can leave any suggestions down below. I love you guys, and as always, be your own kind of beautiful, because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye.